Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all fine and good. Welcome all of you in my channel Plants Corner. My today's video is about just a stunning look of my spider plant, which is also called Cholorophytum Comosum. This is its scientific name. Here you can see the good and very good growth of my spider plant. You can see here, you can see it is full of so many babies plant. Here you can see this plant is full of flowers. Here you can see its first flower, second flower, third flower, fifth flower, fourth flower, fifth flower, sixth, seventh, eight, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 flowers I have now. There are so many other branches. These are its branches. And you can see how make so many other plants. You can buy this plant. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. You can make 12 plants by these babies plant. So this is just stunning view of my spider plant, and in upcoming part I will also share you the care, the tips and tricks which I use to my spider plant for the good growth. Here you can see its growth.